You have business income and you want to claim your leased vehicle, which you are using for your business activity. How TaxTron Web will help you to claim your leased vehicle for your business purpose. After claiming income and expenses, at the bottom of the expense sheet, you will click Next. You will be at Statement of Motor Vehicle Expenses. You will answer this question. Did you have any work-related motor vehicle expenses? Click Yes. Vehicle module will open for you. You will write down the make or model of the vehicle. Click Lease. You will enter when the lease date began. Total kilometer you drove to earn business income. Total kilometers you drove in the year. Fuel and oil for the year, maintenance and repairs for the year, your insurance for the year, registration and licensing for the year. If there is any parking expense, you can claim. If the lease is terminating in 2020, you will enter the date. Otherwise, you will put the lease charges paid during the year. For example, if you paid $4,500 during the year and payments deducted in previous years.
Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out our other videos on our TaxTron channel. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to receive more videos. See you next time.